what is up? We are making French toast for the homies. So I need you to come here real quick, cameraman. Come here. So you see, we're gonna have to make a nice flip, bro. We're gonna have to make a nice flip. Okay, we don't need both of you. Actually, we can. Oh, no, never mind. I'm sorry. I can't do this. No. You see, we cooked. Okay, wait, I need to fix it. We cooked. Okay, so now, what are we gonna do? Now we're gonna lam until that's a bitchy burn. Okay, so now we're busy stirring the eggs. So you see, this is my special mixture, and I make the best French toast, just so that you know. So I made a couple of videos on this, and if you guys want to see more of this content, let me know down below.
5 minutes later.
Allow the ending to chill.
Are you still recording?